Hello guys, don't buy this anymore. Instead, buy this. So always look for long time solution. So this air freshener, it lasts you forever. It's a one-time purchase. Like you don't have to be purchasing it like the liquid one, like 2 to 3 weeks. It's gonna dry up. But this one, it's like a tablet. So all you need to do is a refill. You're gonna buy it together. Like once takes like 3 to 4 months. Even if you think everything is finished, you're still gonna perceive the scent, after taking it off. So this is gonna last you forever. All you need to do is just to take it out. So that little cap is a magnetic, so it can't fall. Once you put it, it's gonna stick. All you need to do, put it to your air conditioner vent. Once you put it right there, immediately you turn on your air conditioner, it's gonna start running like an airplane propeller. So it look very fashionable. So this is what I use in my car. I don't buy the liquid one anymore because I keep spending money on that. So you don't want to keep wasting your money. All you need to do is just buy this one purchase one time. All you need to do is just to keep putting it in maybe every 3 to 4 months. So I'm gonna drop the link at the comment section and the description. So Amazon is doing a promo right now. So just click on the link, it's gonna take you direct to Amazon. Get your copy right now, and please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment for more car and home gadgets. I'm gonna keep posting it every weekend, so make sure you don't miss whenever I post any video, and click that notification button for you to first see my video whenever I post it. Thank you guys for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.